Hello, welcome to Hasib Infinity. In this video, we are making a program for ice cream shop using C++. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we will write some basic template and the function we will be using in the program. Let's make and design our main menu. I have designed my main menu using this code. You can see my main menu at your top right corner. This is second menu of user interface. You can see both design and code for the user interface on your screen. This function uses character to take decision from the user and return character to decide the decision of the user. This function animates the string and says goodbye to the user in a presentable way. This function shows an additional option of buying wafers along with ice cream. This is ice cream class. Available flavors are its object. It keeps data of the object in its variable. This function takes data from all objects of the class and makes a bill. This is our main program, which contains a main loop and calls function main menu. Now we will take decision from the user using the function we have defined earlier. On the basis of the return of the function, we will decide the path of the program. Assuming all returns from the function, we will divert the path of our program using if-else conditions. All conditions will be containing same codes, only the call of the objects are different. If the user wants to quit, he will enter capital or small e. We will apply this condition to let him quit. After running through different paths, the program reunites at this function. This function allows user to quit or make some new purchases. This is final call, which extracts data from all objects of the class and makes a bill. After calculating and printing the bill, the program resets everything and says goodbye. That's all from today's videos. Let's run our code in IDE. Let's check and enjoy our final reveal. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and let me know in comment section. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning.